Hi, and welcome to Press Up number 2. Today I'm going to show you the very first thing that you need to know if you look after a WordPress website, and that is you need to know how to log in, and you might need to know how to set a new password if you've forgotten what your password is. So I'm looking here at the Press Ups site, which runs on WordPress, and to get to the login page, what I'll need to do is click in the URL bar of my browser, and I'll need to put a /, which goes from bottom left to top right. And then I need to type in wp-admin like that. Now you'll see my browser, I've used this before, and so my browser has remembered where that page is and suggested where to go once I've started typing. But if you've not done this before, you will need to put /wp-admin and then go to that location, and you'll get the WordPress login screen. Now it's a fairly not very well known fact that I can also just put /login. That will take me to the login screen too. It will redirect me to it, or I think I can use /admin as well. That takes me to the login screen as well, and I can even put, I believe, /dashboard, and that will also work. So /wp-admin is the usual one that you would use, but you can use just /login, /dashboard, or /admin as well. Once I'm there, I've set up a test user. I type in my username and my password, which I'm not going to tell you. If I check remember me, then it will just keep me logged in for longer and remember me when I come back to the admin dashboard or to the website using this this web browser, and I'll hit login. And that will, well, that's prompting me to save the password. So that logs me into the dashboard where this user is currently set up as an editor. Now it might be, let's log back out again. It might be that you've forgotten your password, and this is something that I get asked an awful lot, is can I reset my password? And the answer to that is yes, you can very easily. So the way that you do that is you click lost your password down here. And that gives you a screen where you can enter either your username or your email. So Jack is my username in this case. That would work. Or I could put Jack. If I can't remember what my username is, I can put jack@org.uk, which was the email address that I used for this user. And what would then happen is when I click get new password, that would send me an email. That email would contain a link that I would click, and that link would let me set a new password for that user. And then once that was done, I can go back to the login page and I can log in using that new password that I've set. So you must know either your username or the email address that that username was registered with in order to reset your password, but you can reset your password. Just click this link here and follow through the actions. Hopefully that's enough for you to get into the dashboard under most circumstances. And we'll look forward to seeing a bit more tomorrow. And as a little PS to Press Up number 2, I meant to say that some sites don't use a normal login screen. Some sites have a customized login screen. Here's an example of a site that we built. This actually has a little login drop-down box here with username and password. So sometimes you will see something simple like that, depending on the theme or depending on how your site has been built. Here's another site that I built that actually has both a really nice modal pop-up. This has been integrated with a Facebook login too. So that has email address, password, and a forgotten password link there. And you can also get to an equivalent of that on a page by going to /login. And you'll see that same information that you got in the pop-up, but that's actually put onto a page. So though normally with WordPress you would expect to see an install like this, sometimes the login process has been customized. So watch out for that. If that has happened for your site, then you probably know about it. But I just wanted to show alternative ways that logins can happen and can appear. Thank you.